if I ask you to fill up color in this particular image, can you do that? Definitely you can. But if I ask you to do the entire thing with just one crayon, that is just one color, will you be able to do that? Well, you will be able to do that, but it will look something like this. Now, this looks very dull and unattractive, isn't it? Because we have so many different things here. We have leaves which can be green, we have the birds which can be multicolored, and flowers that can be red. Even the butterfly is so multicolored in real life. So we need a lot of colors to fill these. And once you use all these different colors, only then this image will look really attractive and realistic. So just like this image needs a number of colors, similarly, our body too requires a number of different kinds of food so that it can support our different needs. Because you see, we do a number of activities. Like sometimes we study, sometimes we do recreational activities like drawing, sometimes we run, sometimes we play. And for all these different activities, we need different kinds of food. And so our body requires a number of food compared to just one type of food. So among all those different types of food, carbohydrate is a very important one. Now, carbohydrates are energy giving food. That is, they give our body a lots of energy. So what are the main sources of carbohydrate for us? Well, rice and roti are two very important sources of carbohydrate for our body. And that is why whenever you have any food, let's say you are having dal roti, or you are having dal and rice, or you are having roti sabzi, or if you are having rice and fish curry. So do you see, in every meal, the major portion is covered by roti or rice. That is because they are rich in carbohydrates and they are able to give us a lots of energy. Now, similar to carbohydrates, even fats give us a lots of energy. And where do you find fats? We have fat in ghee, in butter, even in oil. And we add all these things in our food every day, isn't it? Now, fat have a very important quality. Fats are very high in energy. So if you take this much of butter, that is this much of fat, the energy is too high. We don't require that much of energy because it is very high in energy. So even a small amount will be enough for us. So you see, these have very high amount of energy. That's why we usually have only a small amount. So this is enough for us. So whenever you have fat, usually we have fat in very less quantity because they are very high in energy and we don't need that much energy all the time. Now, next comes the protein. Now, proteins are the building blocks of our body. They are the reason why we grow and we build our muscles. So, proteins are the reason why our muscles are building all the time and we are able to grow very fast. So, proteins are bodybuilding food. Now, I'll give you an example. So, when you fall down and you bruise your knees, then what happens? Well, nothing really happens. In a few days, you see that the wound has completely healed. So what has helped in healing this wound? Well, I'll explain you. When you fell down and you bruised your knees, what happened is a lot of skin here got damaged. And we know that proteins are the building blocks of our body. So this damaged skin actually got built up with the help of protein. And from where do you get proteins? Well, you get proteins from foods such as dal, chicken, rajma, that is beans, eggs, and fish. So if you eat all these things, then you will get lots of protein in your body. Now, next come the vitamins and minerals. Now, vitamins and minerals are protective food and they are available in all the fruits and vegetables which we eat. So, when your mother suggests you to eat lots of fruits and vegetables, actually she wants you to have a lots of vitamins and minerals in your body. And why are they important? Because they are protective food. So, when you have vitamins and minerals, then they protect you against a number of diseases. So, all the different types of diseases cannot touch you if you have enough of vitamins and minerals all the time. So they are very protective. That is why you need to have them all the time inside your body so that they work like an army and fight against all the diseases. What type of food is rich in vitamins and minerals? Can you tell me? Well, they are fruits and vegetables. If you have fruits and vegetables, you will have enough vitamins and minerals in your body and you will always stay fit. Now, apart from having all the different kinds of food, one important function of your body is to keep your stomach clean, because you're having so many different kinds of food and they all gather inside your stomach, and all those unused food can actually harm you. So your body needs cleaning, or your stomach needs cleaning all the time. So there are special kind of food that helps us in cleaning our body. They are called roughage, and roughage help us to clean our body. So what are the sources of roughage? Well, we get roughage from vegetable skins and wheat and bajra. So if you eat these food, you will get enough roughage. Now you must be thinking why roughage is so important. Now you must have heard some or other member of your family is suffering from constipation. So constipation is a disease which is very problematic. You may find it funny, but constipation is a big problem for our body, because if you have constipation, you will not have regular potty schedules. And as a result, you will always feel heavy and your stomach will never be empty. And you won't like to have food all the time. So, roughage is very important to avoid constipation. And that's why roughage helps us in having regular potty schedules. And when you have regular potty schedules, then you are able to remove all the unwanted things from your body, and so your body will be able to take more nutritious things such as carbohydrates and proteins. So roughage is very important. Now comes the last but not the least, which is water. Now water is a superfood. It has so many benefits that you cannot even count. So water can help you in a number of ways. So right from helping you to look good, it also helps in losing weight. It also helps in getting the water back which you lost because of sweating. It helps to avoid joint pain. It helps to keep your muscles healthy, and sometimes even it helps you to avoid headaches. So you see, water has so many different functions, and that is why you should drink lots of water in the entire day. So you see, once you have all the different colors, then you can actually fill the entire image like this. And once you fill the entire image with all the possible colors, then what happens? It becomes very attractive and very realistic. Similarly, when you have all the different kinds of food like carbohydrates, fats, roughage, proteins, and vitamins, then you get all the different kinds of nutrition. And when you get all the different kinds of nutrition, then you become healthy and attractive. And so you should have all the different types of nutrients in the right ratio so that you can stay healthy and happy.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.